Alright.
This is definitely going to pale in comparison.
Yes.
Though it does fight that one of the Lord Blasters did end up going into the damage zone.
I did see that. That's why I only recommended 2.
Yeah, that's one reason why you recommend 2 rather than any less. 2, 3, 4, 5. Returning 2.
I'll return 2 as well.
Much better.
Ooh, definitely much better.
New game, new roll.
Oh, now you get the crit, the miscrit.
Looks like you'll be deciding.
Let us see. I will take...
This would be really good with variation on that.
I will take first turn.
Alrighty.
Stand up. Vanguard. Blackboard parry.
Vermilion Gatekeeper.
Draw. I ride Tank Mouse. Draw for Parrot. And call Hamskay. End of turn. Soul Blast. Move Hamskay to the soul. Search for Pencil Knight and add it to the hand.
And now my turn, yes?
Yes.
I will draw. And ride Doreen the Thruster. Draw for Gatekeeper.
Sure. He does.
And oh, good to know.
Oh.
I will call Werewolf Freywilliger.
Oh, I
Activating
see.
skill.
Oh yeah. Enchantress is a good.
There are lots of things that can go in.
Then I will attack your Vanguard.
No guard.
Drive check.
Various points.
Damage check.
Things want to come out and get replaced by two others.
Turn's yours.
I draw
Yeah.
and ride Pencil Knight Hamskay. I call the Silver Wolf. We'll gain 4,000 power since being in the back row. And next I'll call Binoculous Tiger. With support from Silver Wolf, here comes Hamskay.
No guard.
Drive check. No trigger.
Damage check. No trigger.
Binoculous will attack. Skill will not activate.
No guard. Crit, but alas, failed.
Your turn.
Stand. Draw. And ride Blue Dust. Then I will attack your Vanguard.
No guard.
Drive check. No trigger.
Damage check. Oh yeah, heal trigger, but no recovery.
Activating skill. Full charge of 2.
Strike 2 for the ace.
Strike 2.
So basically, you have.
Turns yours.
I now stand and draw. Ride! Pencil Hero Hamskay. Pencil Hero skill. Since I have both copies of Pencil Knight and Pencil Squire, I drop 2 cards. Except Gift, add an extra 1, and Superior call Pencil Knight Hamskay and Pencil Squire Hamskay from the deck respectively to rear guard. I'll do the shuffle.
No, I can't. You can
just to spare time.
Down to where I knocked everybody else down to.
You seem faster at doing the poker shuffle.
Totally fair.
Well, let's just say that I want to do it for convenience sake. I call Geograph Giant to the Excel Circle. Since he's on an additional rear guard, add 8,000 power. Hamskay, both Hamskays, at 4,000 and 3,000 respectively. And then I'll call Tank Mouse. With his support, here comes Binoculous. With Binoculous' skill, I counterblast and send the top card to my... It's a trigger unit. No retire, but I will grant... Geograph Giant Hamskate, and both Hamskates 5,000 power. And I'll use Tank Mouse to retrieve Alarm Chicken to my hand.
No guard. Draw trigger. I draw one card and grant power to Vanguard.
For Silverwolf support, Pencil Hero, have at thee!
No guard.
Twin Drive, Heal Trigger, no recovery.
Wait, how much damage are you at?
I'm at 2.
2? Yeah.
No recovery, but power will go to Geograph Giant. Second check, no trigger.
Damage check. Critical trigger. Power to the Vanguard.
Pencil Squire will support Pencil Knight, since I have a Pencil Squire in the soul at 5,000 power to the Pencil Knight.
It's not necessarily true.
Let's see. 24, 34.
Let's see, 9, 17, 21, 31, 34 versus 29.
Did you not play a land there?
No, I didn't have I just have to run this in.
Yeah.
I will guard.
Usually from stuff that we've got, but
Geograph
we
Giant,
do
here
tend to
attacks.
acquire
Here comes a big
cards.
panda. Aw, but you block it.
Yep.
Yeah. If
Oh,
there's
well.
something that we specifically want for a deck.
Stand,
And I feel like it's way too early.
draw,
Oh no.
and ride. Ghoulish Despoiler.
Ah, it's a home run.
Imaginary Gift. Protect. Activating skill. Soul Charge 2. And I get to choose one grade. 2 or below.
Defender, and whenever
Iona.
creature you get.
So,
Yes.
yeah, in fact.
I will go with Doreen the Thruster.
I don't see the reason for
Oh, obvious choice.
Calling Doreen.
Every deck has a way to deal with it. You can't tell me they don't.
Werewolf
You
Seeker.
can't tell me all of us isn't a card.
Seeger's Skill.
It doesn't count as control until it's actually in play.
Demon Eater.
Correct. So this does not draw me a
And
card.
Ruthven.
Ah,
Ruthven Skill.
Because I was playing.
Put back another copy of him to the soul.
Well, it also doesn't have
Granting
defender.
power to Doreen the Thruster.
Any defender that
Due
comes
to her
in
skill.
will
Then I will attack your Vanguard with Demon Eater. Activating skill.
waited and played
I was
this
rolling another 6.
for 0 afterwards.
And probably
And
should
then
have.
yeah,
Oh, you took one because you
And
needed
draw
to
a
attack that
card.
light.
Yes, I go to 36.
Granting 10,000 extra power.
Right, this is a
And I will not use the skill.
But it also has
It-
22.
I'll let her through. Damage check, no trigger.
But if I want white, I have to pay a life.
Alright.
But it has other.
From here, Ghoulish Despoiler and Doreen will attack your Vanguard. Activating skill since there are 10 or more in the soul. 3, 4, 5,
Oh, yeah.
6, 7, 8,
You
9,
got a
10.
shield sphere.
He's up to 10.
Take 6, James.
Okay.
I will go ahead and get rid of Geograph Giant.
Aw, why you gotta be hating on the panda? I like
Alright, 10,
pandas.
20, 38.
He makes your stuff
38.
stuff deal damage, which is tough.
And that my defenders can attack, which they can't normally.
Dictionary Goat and Alarm Chicken will guard.
Twin Drive, first check. Critical trigger.
Uh-oh.
Let's see, 38.
Boots, one to equip creature has hexproof and haste.
I have 47.
Gate of Phyrexia, I can sacrifice
And I'm at
creature,
38, so
on my
You're at
upkeep
40.
to destroy target artifact.
now it will be
So I can
48.
sacrifice Yuriko to blow up the shield
Second
sphere.
check.
Go.
Heal
You
trigger.
do that.
You do recover.
I
more
will
damage.
seems worthwhile.
recover.
Because it also means
Grant
that
the power
Yuriko is
to
back in the
Seeker.
command zone, where
And I
can
believe that attack will go
ninjutsu
through.
Get her back out.
Damage check first. Ah, front trigger. Grant power to the front row.
You know,
Yeah, we know.
Second check. Binoculars.
Werewolf Seeger will attack your Vanguard.
And Tank Mouse will guard.
Alrighty.
play it.
He's so out of it right now.
I'm trying.
Stand and
Right.
Draw.
This one taking
reduces the cost
Head
of
to
your enchantments by
homeroom,
one,
for the
right?
hunter is on the prowl. Ride! School Hunter Leopold. Imaginary gift, excel. Leopold on ride skill. But since I have a grade 3 in the soul, his on ride skill happens twice. The first, it's a normal unit.
Put the enchantment
Check the
underneath
top
the
4 cards of the deck and superior call 2 up to 2 grade 2s. Binoculars, to rear guard, to excel circle,
But you also have
and
to do
shuffle the remainder.
Green, green, and then one.
One.
Bear Umbra.
You should play that card.
Second,
Fair on.
it's a trigger unit at 15,000 and +1 critical. I'll use Tank Mouse's skill now to get Castanet Donkey into my hand.
Alright.
Right.
Let's get that swamp back.
Right. And the thing that's there.
You can untap.
And
Now you should
I'll
attack
call
somebody.
Minoculus on top of Tank Mouse, since I can only use Tank Mouse's skill once per turn.
Alright.
Yeah, the
It doesn't
Herald
come
of
in
the
there. It
Pantheon.
has to. It has
The
to
power
be
boosts go away since Temsky is no longer my vanguard.
Yeah, so that's a 4/4.
Alright, Silver Wolf will support Leopold's attack on the vanguard.
something.
We'll go ahead and use my protect.
Alright, a twin drive. First check, second check. Geograph Giant, I needed you.
Okay.
Tap
Like I said, he
it.
can block.
Tap it.
The Hamskate twins will attack.
Or tap
No
creature,
guard.
attack.
I will not
No
block.
trigger.
I feel
This Binoculus on the Excel Circle will
it
attack.
doesn't
I'll
accomplish
use his
that, but
skill.
28.
Untap your lands.
It's a normal unit. I just draw a card.
Okay.
19.
Roll.
I will guard.
With support from Binoculus, Binoculus will attack. Activating Binoculus skill.
You've got 5 mana.
Normal unit, I draw. And now for Monoculus.
Yeah.
You should play that one enchantment that's in your hand.
I Soul Blast, and
You should play that 5-cost enchantment.
you cannot guard with trigger units.
Very good.
Yes.
No guard.
Oh,
Heal
God,
trigger.
yes.
I do not heal.
Ah,
You should play that.
I did not see what it was.
I think I
but
might have
it
to
sounds
do a
like
little
something you should play.
updating with this deck. Oh, wait, the forward stays.
Right.
Stand.
He's absolutely
Draw.
correct. You should play
Tap one of
this.
these. And then put it in and read the card.
I will call Doreen the Thruster
Cost 2 planes.
and Curse Doctor.
Hmm.
No, because it
Demon
costs
Eater
one
will
less
attack your
for the
vanguard.
Herald of the Pantheon.
Activating skill.
So,
Moving Curse Doctor to the soul.
it's 2 planes and 2.
10,000. Draw a card.
You should play that card.
Yeah.
Yes.
Not using the other skill.
Next turn, you should play that card that's facing me.
Okay.
Whenever you cast an enchantment spell, you get a 4
Binoculus,
range
both
token.
Binoculus and Hams and Pencil Knight will intercept.
Nothing happens
Alright.
over turn.
This is just a global enchantment.
Next up, Ghoulish Despoiler will attack your vanguard.
That's just an enchantment.
Activating
This is
skill.
there it
Oh
does
dear,
stuff.
who's getting slaughtered this time?
Silver Wolf.
Ah, the expression was send your lamb to the slaughter, not the wolf.
Yeah, and then you'll
Well.
be able to attack people with it or block with it or anything
11,
with
23,
yeah.
33.
Do you have anything else?
And then you play more enchantments and get more angels and eventually
Let's get the necromancer
wipe
swap.
everybody
What did
out
you
with
say?
large
33,000.
flying angels,
And
because
combat
Essentially.
I have
that's
38.
something they do.
Twin Drive. First check.
Only 30.
And second
So
check.
33.
Oh yeah. And
Oh no.
All effects to the vanguard.
As Baymax would say, oh no. Well, I'm late for class. I must go to detention. It's because the alarm chicken.
Chicken.
But these are things that you will win, so